In today's review, we're going to be checking out a website called Rockymountain Oils. And full disclosure, I am an actual affiliate for this website and for a good reason. I like the products that they sell. And the oils that they sell are one of the best oils are available in the market. Not only they are the best oils, they also give you some of the best prices as well. So why should you shop at Rockymountain Oils? First of all, the items that they have here are 100% real oil. There is other sites out there that have essential oils, but not all of it is pure, real, and authentic. So you have to make sure you're getting the real deal when you're getting any kind of different kind of an oil. And in this site, you're getting not only authentic oil, you also are getting very good, high quality product. And if you're actually not sure yet, you can read reviews of any different products that is available, and you can check out what other people think about this product as well. So I highly suggest for you to check out Rockymountain Oils. And right now, next thing I'm going to be doing is showing you a sample kit of a few very essential oils, what I use them for, and if you should use them as well. Look at what just arrived in the mail. Rockymountain Oils. Happiness has finally arrived. So let's open it up and see what is inside. The package is very nice looking. Once you open it up, it says enjoy the journey. Then you get this. Rockymountain Oils, natural wellness for mind and body. It is showing all the kinds of different things that you can get from Rockymountain Oil. So that's kind of cool. Then, every single one of those already comes in a gift-ready gift box. So if you give this to somebody, this is how it's going to look like. And they can tell that it is factory sealed. But it also is wrapped for you as well. In this specific package, I got 4 of them. So we have tea tree oil, which is medicinal oil, which is great for cuts, for infections, for boils, for all kinds of things that are on your skin. This has been used, tea tree oil, in Australia, and they were given to people during the Second World War. This is actually in some ways superior when it comes to skin issues on you, and it comes from Australia. This is actually where authentic real tea tree oil comes from. The next one is cedar wood. Cedar wood is great for relaxing, for giving this uplifting feeling, and this is also very great oil. And now we have eucalyptus oil. Comes from Australia, from the eucalyptus tree. This specific oil is great for disinfecting the air. It is very similar to tea tree. It is also great for uplifting. Let's say you have a cold or flu. You can actually use a few drops of this oil right in your shower. And the smell of it is going to disinfect all the air in you. In fact, I'm going to do this myself. That with tea tree oil, you're going to have a very potent anti-germ for the cold and flu season. Lastly, we have this one, which is actually lavender oil. So when you take it out, this is how it looks like, lavender oil. Lavender oil is great for uplifting your mood and giving you a very positive feeling. This specific lavender oil is come from Greece. And you can see right here how it actually looks like once you get this. You can use it as a typical or as a diffuser. Diffuser, you put just a few drops inside of it. As typical, you can put it on yourself. This is great for reducing anxiety. It is great for uplifting your mood. And it is also a great scent as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of them here. serving size is actually 1 drop because it is so pure. And we have another one here, which is the cedarwood. And the scent of this is really amazing, cedarwood. If you ever want to get something great for scent wise, I would say this one is one of those essentials you gotta get for yourself. Lastly, tea tree oil. Now you don't necessarily have to get the whole entire collection here, but this is something I do recommend for you to get. So tea tree oil here, and this one is the cedarwood. And now we have all 4 essential oils for my collection and my use. Out of all of those, I recommend for everybody to get tea tree oil, eucalyptus oil, and lavender oil. This one is not so essential, but it's still a great scent to have around. This is why I got all 4 of those oils. Each of them has its own benefit and use, medicinally and scent-wise. So now we have the whole entire collection here: cedarwood, tea tree oil, lavender grease, and eucalyptus oil. I suggest for you to have a diffuser such as this one right here, and you're going to be using any of those to change the air and the mood around the house. To turn it on, you got to plug this in, and I do recommend for you to get this specific one that I use myself. It is big, it is huge, and you can fit lots of oil inside here. One cool thing about this is that it can actually change the color code when you press on this. Also at the top it changes as well. This is great for different kind of effects, especially at night. When you're ready to start using it, you press on and it comes out from the top, and there is 2 different speeds. You can also set this for 1 hour, 3 hour, and 6 hour, and it just turns off after it is done, or the oil itself is done inside. The scent is pretty good actually. So let's go ahead and make a scent test. Open up the cedarwood. That is just amazing. So what is this cedarwood test is all about? It actually smells, it's like pine wood. I'm smelling it right now. I do like this scent. It is very wood-like. So the scent you will actually be smelling if you ever went inside the woods in a hike, and now you can have the same scent inside your house. If this is the thing and you're an outdoor person and you want to always be reminded of the outdoors, indoors, this beautiful scent is right for you. Let's go ahead and check out the tea tree oil. There is other companies that sell tea tree oil, but the authentic one only comes from Australia, and you're getting authentic real oil in here. Let's smell it. Ooh, this smells real. I can tell. I smelled a bunch of those tea tree oils, and this one smells just as authentic and original as they come. Watch out for those companies that sell unauthentic, unreal tea tree oil mixed with chemicals or other byproducts. This one comes from Australia. This is where you get the best kind of tea tree oil that is available. Other companies sell it from other locations. They are actually cheapening it out with the price, and you're not getting the best possible oil. To apply, all you have to do is to open this up, and you just need, because it's so pure, 1 drop, and that's it. Don't go ahead and keep using many drops, because this is very authentic and high quality. And I can even smell it right now. 1 drop and it already is smelling, which is how it should actually be. Let's check out lavender oil. This is actually grease version of lavender. There is different kind of lavender oils that are available on this site. And it's all about the preferences actually. It actually smells very flowery like, which is supposed to be. but this is just this version of it that I happen to like. Now, if you don't like this specific lavender oil, you can check out other ones as well. But this is the one that is my favorite scent. Well, let's check out the eucalyptus oil. Wow, this is actually amazing. And I just smelled every single one of those. And I think this eucalyptus oil just smells fresh and unbelievably good. So there you have it. Essentials oils that you should actually have. And I specifically recommend for you to get lavender, tea tree, and eucalyptus oil. Those are the ones that should be in every person's medicine cabinet. Now, why do I recommend those specific ones? Because of the health benefits that they give you. If you know somebody who has the flu or the cold, and you don't want to catch it from them and they're roommates with you, I would do 1 drop of tea tree and eucalyptus oil in this diffuser and turn it on. This mixture should give you one of the best defenses that you can potentially do. Why do you need a lavender oil? This is for relaxation. So at night, the best would be a tea tree mixed with lavender or eucalyptus with lavender. Eucalyptus is a stimulant, and I wouldn't use it really at night. It stimulates the senses. Tea tree is kind of neutral in that terms. So at night time, if you want to get great sleep, a few drops of lavender oil, turn this on, and start smelling it. Let's say, for example, you have something on your skin and you need to take care of it, like a boil or something else. Instead of using antibiotics, which becomes antibiotic resistance after a while, I would use this first before going ahead and using antibiotic or ointment. So this is the holistic way for you to try to take care of a lot of things, even fungus on your feet or even other blemishes. Tea tree oil is best for you to use. Eucalyptus would be the second favorite of mine as well. This one is also great for that, but I wouldn't use this as a typical oil on you. Instead, I recommend for you to use eucalyptus oil in your diffuser. It is better for you, and it's going to take away a lot of really bad things in the air and clean it for you. So there we go, we have all the essentials for you, and I also recommend the cedarwood just to mix the scent in and make it more mellow and better